What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
22 Durango by Dodge. By who, Timmy? The people you hate, Dodge. He's a Chevy guy. But he wouldn't mind having a Hemi. Would you mind having a Hemi? Huh? A 70 Hemi?
No, 7 liters.
Oh, a 7-liter Hemi. Anyways, as you guys can see, it's brand new. It's still got 1,000 miles on it. Factory converter there. Then suitcase muffler we left on right there. Then continued factory piping. Then deleted the rear mufflers there. Or resonator. Deleted the rear resonator there. And deleted the rear tips and put them some black tips on it, 4.5 right there to match the wheels, to complete the look. It looks better with those. You guys gotta agree right there and there. There's the 2 resonators that were on it, and the tips, the factory stuff. We took it all off and replaced it. It looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And it is a Durango GT. What do you think? See how it's clean? If you would have done it the other way, it would have been raspy. This one's good? All right. Here's sound decibels. Again. 91. Go ahead, again. Not bad. It's got a little throatiness to it. Yeah, those tips are perfect for it. Yeah, they fit the rims perfectly. Damn rev limiter. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
All right, so it's got 2,800 miles. Not 1,000, but close.
Durango GT V6 rear resonator delete. We just deleted those resonators off of it. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Enjoy, guys. Always do a resonator delete on these unless you put some kind of mufflers in the middle.